So now we're going to put all this lovely stuff together here. So we are going to find the vertical asymptote, the horizontal asymptote, and we're also going to add in domain and range. So for a vertical asymptote, again, the rule is we just take the denominator and set it equal to 0, and then solve it using algebra. So I'd start by subtracting 8 from both sides, and then I'd divide both sides by 2. So I would get x equals -4. And of course, I'm being sure to write that as an equation because it is a line. For horizontal asymptote, I have to use the rules. So I'm looking at the degree of the numerator and the denominator. This one has degree 1 on top and degree 1 on bottom also. So that makes it case number 2. So our horizontal asymptote is going to be y equals the leading coefficient of the numerator, which is 1, over the leading coefficient of the denominator, which is 2. Now that 1 in the numerator is absolutely essential, because if you leave that off, that means it would say y equals 2, which is a very different number than y equals 1/2. Right now for domain and range, we have not talked about those yet, but we'll talk about them now. The domain for these rational functions is going to be all real numbers except for those that a vertical asymptote occurs at. So we would say x such that x does not equal, and then I just look at my vertical asymptote. So x cannot equal -4. So algebraically, the reason for that is an x value of -4 makes the denominator equal 0, and we know that we can't have a 0 denominator. For our range, similarly, it's going to be all real numbers except for those that are listed as the horizontal asymptote. So this would be y such that y does not equal 1/2. All right, now you're going to try number 2 and number 3, and then check them out on the form. Fill in your answers over there.